Make free calls using Airtel to Airtel. Hi friends. Today I'm going to share a trick which helps you to call anyone using Airtel to Airtel, Reliance to Reliance, etc. free calls plan. If you activate this plan, then you can call the same operators free of cost, and when you call other you have to pay money. So here comes my trick. Using my trick you can call others free of cost. So the trick is given below. Just follow the step by step. Step 1. First, you have 2 SIM card of same operator, for e.g. if you have Reliance, then the second SIM is also Reliance. Step 2. I'm given the number to mobile number which you want in this trick. A. Number, Reliance to Reliance activated number. B. Number. This number is very important. Without this SIM you can't make calls to other free of cost. C. Number. This is the number which you wanted to call. Step 3. Just call *21*C, and UMBER pound this number from B number. Then just call from A number to B number. You are now connected to C number. Enjoy free calling. Step 4. If you want to stop this, then just call #21# from B number. Note: you can use any 2 SIM card of the same company to do this trick.